Now, sometimes we see these animated films, mostly of beasts, animals if you wish, and some beasts are really ugly, and there are some of them, and they are the evil beasts, but we have other beasts that are ugly, but they are the good beasts. And they remind me of the fungus, or the fungi, or the moles. And when your cheese turns green, don't throw it away, eat it, because that mole there is ugly, but not evil. Okay? And when you order blue cheese for your salad, remember that blue cheese can come about only because of the ugliness of the mold. So look at it that way. And the molds produce the blue cheese. They produce the blue cheese, but they need the cheese, even though they come from the cheese. So what's in that cheese? Who would like to answer the question?
Anyone? A seed?
Seed. Everything comes from a seed. So that answers the old age trick question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Now you know, the egg. It may be in the flesh, but it had to be in the spiritual world first. Now, for the last couple of weeks we've been speaking about that spot, that moment that is always now, that has no time, that has no location of east, south, west, or north. It just is. And that is the magical mind. And that magical mind comes at a particular time when there is no time. So let's again go through the process of understanding this. Let us take a deep breath in and then let it out. And then we have a pause. Believe it or not, in this pause, your heart stops beating. And it is this pause where that magical mind is. And this pause can be called a rest. The Sabbath, the Sunday. What do the Muslims call their Sunday? Anybody know? I don't know. Well, whatever. It also can be called, I got a few names here, a hiatus, meaning a gap, a yawn. You're not breathing. Try it. And it is in that moment where magical actions take place. Now, it is a mental concept, but we must make some sort of a parallel to understand it. I want you to listen very carefully, Ara. You know what a mango is? And you know what the so-called pit inside is? You ever see the pit of the seed or the pit of a mango? Is it clean or is it got fibers on it?
It's got a lot of fibers.
Hair. And that hair is parallel to light. So we live in that shell at that moment. And in that moment is that seed or kernel. And it is completely pure. It has no time. It has nothing. Yet everything comes from there. Now you have to use your imagination here. So I picked the mango because it gives us the best parallel. Maybe you have something else, but